Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're going to take a look at the cons, things I don't like about the fiberglass walk-in door. So here we go. This is one of the first things I don't like, is this wire. So this is how my installer connected the lighting and the back red light that's on the top for the brakes. It's just kind of hanging here. I did some extra work up here to zip tie it, but as you can see, they didn't add enough length. So make sure at your installer, if you're doing it, to add enough length, because I'd like to have it gone down the side through here, but they didn't, and unfortunately we're kind of stuck with that now. Another thing is this construction of the door. It's strong, but the wind definitely does take it. I try not to have it up when it's super windy, so that will be something to consider. And this thing will shake a little bit if it does get windy, as you can see. Let's see if we can do it here. It'll definitely start vibrating and start bending, bouncing these back and forth. So be careful with the wind. That's one thing that you need to be careful for, just because it's not as strong as I'd like. That construction's not as strong as I'd like it, but small area, trying to bring everything together, it's probably a little difficult. Another thing to consider is, how's your tailgate attached? So one thing that we discovered was that this one stuck out farther than this one. So they actually had to shift the whole door to the left a little bit, which caused the door to be a little cockeyed. Here, let me show you. So as a result of that being cockeyed, we had to cut that down a little bit so that it'll close a little better, see? And then it's wider here. So you have that much width versus that much width. So as a result, this is a little tighter. This is a little looser. I haven't had any water or leak issues, but just be aware that that tailgate attachment may push that over. Let me show you what that looks like on the inside. So this is what the side of it looks like. As you can see, it looks like they cut a little bit around there to make it fit better. So just realize that you may have to do that. You may have to try to get it in there. Finally, there is no lock on the inside, so if you need to lock it, you need to either find an aftermarket handle there or something else. What I do is I actually get in and then I lock it down with the rubber connections there. Alright, those are a few of the things I don't like about the fiberglass walk-in door. So had I known about some of those things, I still would have gotten this. I just would have talked with the installation crew a little bit more about the game plan, because they were learning stuff, I was learning stuff, and unfortunately it's not perfect, but such is life. Anyway, let me know if you guys have conquered any of these issues, or if you figured out places that you can get like an aftermarket handle that can lock on the inside and outside. So there you go, things I don't like about it. And as always, like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys do for truck camping, because I do pretty good, but you know, things like this do happen. So how have you overcome all that? Anyway, take it easy.